That's a horrendous accident. The bus has turned around. I can't even figure out what has happened. Oh god. Petrol is leaking. And I'm also pretty sure as the day progresses and the sun starts coming up, there's gonna be a lot of fog. You can see the color changing. The moon upstairs, he hasn't logged out yet. Check out this spectacular view. Almost missed the turn. You feel so small in front of this massive structures. That section and doesn't have a lot of hairpin bends as I saw from the map. The whole city is sleeping. Hopefully. So not sure if you can recognize this particular road. Soon you'll be able to. We're going to a place in Kerala called Kumily with one of my oldest riding groups here in Bangalore, and we had previously decided to go with 5 members, but one of them cancelled at the last moment due to some office struggles. I usually hate this road, this Indranagar road in the morning or in the day or at night when people are busy getting in and out of the vehicles without considering the traffic that's coming on and taking their time, pleasure with it. Right now at night it's fine, I guess. Already morning rather. So I'm also trying out a few new gadgets. I've got a wired microphone attached to my action phone. You can feel the difference in the voice. I hope it's not overgained so the voice crackles. I also got a set of new NFC filters for this action phone. Right now they're not on, it's quite dark right now. I got the ND filters from Telison. There are three ND filters, 8, 16 and 30, 32 I'm sorry, and the sequel filter as well. Now the weird thing about this sequel filter is that all the ones I've used in a mirrorless or a SLR camera used to have a rotating bar on it. That used to dictate how much light comes in. I think they use polarization of some sort between the two lenses. But this one doesn't have any rotating part, it's just one set and you're good to go. Well, it might be the best thing always because if it could reduce the light coming in at several junctions, I could use it at night. The reason for getting the indicator was so that I could use this cinematic feature that gives you a motion blur sort of effect while you view this, where you keep the shutter speed at about double of the frames per second the camera is capturing here. Well, it's not technically double, it's more like doubled and then inversed. But you get the point. Let me cover this only distance right now. We're gonna meet towards the phase 2 of electronicity and then we're gonna take off towards Kerala. So we met with the guys, reached the starting point. We're gonna take a short coffee halt in a couple of minutes. But when I was riding down the that elevated crossway that is to Electronic City, I turned on my camera, but there was a lot of wind noise. I couldn't hear my voice on it. I just checked it when I reached here. So I'm not sure I'm gonna figure this out. Let's see. So I've changed the location of the microphone a little bit. I'm not riding too fast. It's 80-83. If this doesn't work, I'll have to really look for new solutions. Maybe a dead cat on the microphone could be a solution. But getting rid of wind noise sounds like a real big challenge. You can see some light coming up from this side. See, there's a person sitting over here who's controlling the back wheels. It's really long, so the curvature of a road that's exceeding 150. Breakfast time. You feel so small in front of these massive structures.